from happiness, living in the past and observing others. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu has tested positive for coronavirus and has been advised home quarantine. The official Twitter account of Vice President of India said that he had undergone a routine COVID-19 test today morning, adding that he is asymptomatic and in good health. His wife Usha Naidu has been tested negative and is in self-isolation, it added. Schools in Andhra Pradesh would be reopened for the 2021 academic year on November 2. Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy announced on Tuesday. We wanted to open the schools on October 5, but in view of prevailing situations, we have now decided to reopen them on November 2, the CM told the district collectors. Tamil Nadu government on Tuesday extended the coronavirus enforced lockdown till October 31 with further relaxations from restrictions. The number of domestic flights to land at Chennai airport will be doubled to 100 a day and cinema shooting with the 100 people limit at a time will be permitted. Educational institutions, theatres, amusement parks, swimming pools and beaches will remain shut. COVID-19 cases in India cross 61 lakh mark. Recovery rate reaches 83%. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has increased to 61 lakhs 45,291 after a single day spike of 70,589 cases. The number of patients who have been discharged so far has reached 51 lakhs 1,397, taking the recovery rate to 83%. Meanwhile, death toll in the country has surged to 96,318. Out of the total cases, 9,47,576 are currently active. The National Institute of Nutrition, which comes under the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR), has increased the ideal weight for adult Indian men and women by 5 kilograms each to 65 kilograms and 55 kilograms respectively. The definition of reference to Indian adult men and women was modified with regard to age 19 to 39 years instead of 20 to 39 years. Indian economy among worst performing in world. Abhijit Banerjee on Tuesday said Indian economy is among the worst performing in the world. The country's economy will see revival in the current quarter, which is July to September. Speaking at the virtual event, Banerjee said the country's economic growth was slowing down even before the COVID-19 pandemic hit. He further said that he didn't think India's economic stimulus was adequate. Amazon Tech lets shoppers pay with their palm at its US stores. Amazon is unveiling a new biometric technology called Amazon One that lets shoppers pay at its US stores by placing their palm over a scanning device. A shopper will register to use the technology by scanning their palm and inserting their payment card at a terminal. Once registered, they will be able to pay with their palm at Amazon Go stores. Sylvain Hélène, a 35-year-old French elementary school teacher who got his body, face and tongue tattooed and had whites of his eyes surgically turned black, said he was stopped from teaching kindergarten. The parents of a 3-year-old complained to authorities that their son had nightmares after seeing Hélène. He is been allowed to teach children over the age of 6. Chennai's Coimbatore market, which was once a COVID-19 hotspot, has reopened. We are not scared of COVID-19. How can we earn money if we are scared? We had tough time without salary for 4 months, a trader told NDTV. Meanwhile, State Health Secretary Dr. J. Radhakrishnan told NDTV that there is still an element of casualness among people. Sonu Sood honored with Special Humanitarian Action Award by UNDP. Actor Sonu Sood has been conferred with the SDG Special Humanitarian Action Award by the United Nations Development Programme for helping people amid the coronavirus pandemic. The award was presented at the virtual ceremony. Sonu has joined the likes of Angelina Jolie, Leonardo DiCaprio and Priyanka Chopra, who have been similarly honored by different UN bodies. In 8th century, it was considered a crime to commit suicide in Great Britain. If caught, the person was punished by hanging. Most expensive school in the world is the Institut Le Rosey in Switzerland. It cost annual tuition of $113,178 per year. This Japanese artist gives life to rocks by painting adorable and realistic animals. A man in Thailand married his dead girlfriend to fulfill his promises of love. Indian Airlines only recruits female cabin crew. As female employees are lighter than their male counterparts, this move helps Indigo to save on fuel costs. you for watching. I hope which is very useful to you. Share this knowledge to your friends and family.